can you That's the trick. You're not taking my pills, are you?
No, I didn't take your pills.
What's this sticky thing? Tags. Their blood pressure pills out. They'll knock one. Oh yeah. I can't get in. Oh, then wonder. All this looks crazy tape. Well, Jesse, that's funny. You got somebody good. Steven's taking my pills. That's good. We like that for now. Yeah, something's gonna fall, jump out at me or something. One of those long snakes you take out of a can and it springs in your face. Oh, I still can't get it open. See, oh yeah, the all on top trick. And Steven probably didn't blame it on Jesse.
Basically.
Yeah, he had it, and you had it done again. Got you again. Oh, the bottom. Oh, the boil wasn't even open. You're crazy. That was a pretty good trick. You got me about 3 times. Watch it for the wet paint on the